Colby Trail, something real short and quick. There's a waterfall here. Let's go check it out. Oh my, no, that's not it. This is the trail. That's the waterfall. That's it. That's the waterfall I wanted to find. I got it. I'm going to walk up the trail that way and see what else is up there. Take a few pictures here and head up the trail. That's actually really cool. I'm gonna end it here and say thank you for watching. This one is extremely short. This one I was out shooting with my favorite landscape lens, as I said earlier. Hit the subscribe button, please share it with somebody. I am frozen, my feet are soaked, and it's wintertime, so I'm heading home. Again, thank you. I'll see you guys out there. JonnyPink, doesn't say it here. Oh well, we'll see you.